This Sunday, we had a semi-final and things got a little bit mad from my usual routine to a proper battle on the pitch. Trust me, you're going to want to see how this ends. I mean, every Sunday starts the same way for me. No matter what's going on in my life, football comes first on a Sunday. It doesn't matter if I've had a long week or whether it's terrible or the weather's terrible or if I'm tired. When Sunday comes around, it's game mode. So the first thing I do, I head into the conservatory, grab my bag, football bag, same bag every week. It's one of those things where everything just in its place. Boots, shin pads, socks, shorts. I don't even think about it anymore. It's just my routine. And I'm 41 years old and I'm still doing it with football. I mean, I always double check as well, because there's nothing worse than turning up and realising you've forgotten something. I've done that before, never again. So yeah, make sure the boots and the shin pads are in there. Everything you need to go and for a nice little wall on the pitch. So then it's time to head out. Walking out the van, that's when it starts to feel real. There's just something about the moment the engine starts, a little bit of noise, reversing off the drive, and you just know it's match day. So it doesn't matter if it's freezing cold or chucking it down with rain. Trust me, it's hard. And once you're in the van, I'm locked in. It's already thinking about the game. So before anything else, there's one stop that I always make on a Sunday with no exceptions, and that is the shop. Pull up, jump out, and I head inside, and it's the same thing I get every Sunday, or hot and spicy one, a big Red Bull. But that's only every Sunday. I mean, that combo right there, I don't know what it is, but it just works, and it's like part of my routine now. If I don't have it, and sometimes it just feels off. It's a proper superstition, I suppose. You just have to have it, to be fair. So yeah, we'll grab that, pay, get back to the van. Now I'm properly on my way to the pitch. In this case, it was the Windmill FC. So this week though, it's not just any game, it's a semi-final. And we're up against the Windmill FC. And you can feel it, it's a bit different. Sometimes the drive feels a little bit longer. Then you're just thinking about it a bit. One game away from the final. I mean, that's what's on everybody's mind. Some medals as well. Start running through things in your head, what you need to do, how the game might go, little scenarios. It's weird, but everyone does it. Right. Then I finally pull up at the ground. You can see a few of the lads already there. Some leaning out the cars, some already changed, some just messing around. I mean, you get out the van straight away, there's the usual bit of banter and laughs. That's what football's all about. Someone's always got something to say, taking the mick out of someone, talking about last week, whatever it is. I mean, it's all part of the game. But underneath it all, you can just tell everyone's just switched on. And this ain't just a normal game. We're here for a reason. So after a bit of talking, we all head into the changing rooms. Same routine again. Find your spot, bag down, start getting changed. And then you've got the sound of the boots hitting the floor, tape being ripped, people chatting, music playing in the background. I mean, it's a perfect mix of a relaxed but focused lads are still joking, still laughing. But you can feel it slowly shifting and getting closer to kick-off. I mean, the boots go on, shin pads are in, shirts on. That's when it finally starts to feel real. Then comes the team talk. Everyone gathers round, it goes quiet. And the manager starts going through the team, the tactics, and what we need to do. Who's marking who?
We do 4-4-3 as per 4-3-3. 4-3-3, yeah. I was cheating and I added one more in. Sorry, from me off. That's how we're going to win. You're going to sneak somebody in, nobody's going to know about it. So George at left back, Jake, Perry and Jam in at centre half, Chile at right back. Three in midfield, Perry, Tom Bishop and Jamie. Three up top, Mully, Jack and Ben Coval to start with. everybody else on the bench. All right, there'll be plenty of opportunity, boys, for you to get on. Yeah.
James, sorry. James.
All right,
New cycling there.
Yeah.
Went,
yeah, all right. 4-4-3 with a lad we don't know. Jamie will be here soon. It's fine. Right. Boys, just go out and enjoy it. Yeah, we've worked really hard to get here. Last game was absolutely tremendous. Need that same work rate and effort again. Yeah, have a look around the changing room. Trust the person that you sat next to. Trust they're going to put in the hard work that you're going to put in. Trust them to win the headers, make the tackles, and score the goals to make sure that we win this football match, boys. All right? Yeah. Go out there, get a proper warm up done. Make sure we hit the ground running. Come on, let's get up for this.
Come on. See the opposition warming up, and you know what's coming. The semi-final against the Windmill FC. Everything you've done all week, everything you've been talking about comes to this. No excuses, no second chances, just football. Then it's time to walk onto the pitch, the moment just before kick-off. It's one of the best feelings. A bit nervous, excitement, heart going a bit faster. You look around one last time and then the whistle goes. And from there, it's battle. Proper Sunday League football. Tackles flying in, people shouting, decisions going everywhere. It's a bit of chaos, a bit of quality. If it didn't go quietly, I'll tell you that. I mean, the chances at both ends, big moments, big drama, especially what you'd expect from a semi-final. Everyone giving everything, no one holding back, and that's what makes it good. Then it all comes down to the final moments. The pressure is high, everyone's feeling it, and let's just say it goes all the way. But in the end, we actually went on to win this semi-final with a massive result. Proper team performance, everyone put a shift in, but the way it happened, you need to see it. So if you want to watch the full penalty shootout, the full drama and everything that went down, then click the video right here, or here, or here, wherever it is. And trust me, you don't want to miss that. So don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and comment the hell out of this video. Tell me what needs to improve. Come on, don't be shy. Play where we can hurt them. No messing about now. Everyone's bloody listening. I mean, this is the moment when it all clicks in your head. Everything's become clear then. Somehow, like every Sunday, it turns into a bloody karaoke. Don't even know how it starts half the time, but it just does. Someone puts a song on, someone starts singing, and the next thing you know, half the team's involved. It's chaos, but it's quality, and weirdly, it actually helps. It actually helps us all relax. Takes the edge off, gets everyone in the mood for going out. That's Sunday League for you. You're not getting that anywhere else. After that, it's time. It's time to get out there. So we head out the changing rooms, get onto the side of the pitch and warm up. First touch of the ball, that's always important. Just getting a feel for it. Short passes, little movements, building it up. Then you start to feel sharp, body loosens up, mind gets focused, shots going in, people shouting, calling the ball. It all starts coming together. This is where you switch fully into the game mode. You look around, you see your teammates on the pitch,